What is a budget? It's simply a plan for your money. Think of budgeting like a game of chess. If you plan a move ahead, you can anticipate your expenses, avoid mistakes, and find opportunities to invest your money. All a budget is it shows how much money you have and where it needs to go, and how much you can have or save to use for your goals. Why do you need a budget? Because money is limited. You can't buy everything, so a budget helps you prioritize what is most important. Start by tackling your income and expenses. Income is money you earn or receive, and think of your income after taxes. And expenses are what you spend on food, clothes, bills, rent, or for fun. A budget also helps you set goals, like for saving for a vacation, a bike, college, and shows you how to get there. And most importantly, a budget helps you avoid debt. Spend less than what you earn, pay bills on time, and plan before borrowing. In short, a budget is like your winning strategy. With smart moves, you can spend wisely, save smartly, and reach your goals.